Cool, so this is how the ignition control unit works. You have two powers, one going in on A1, which is battery in, and one going into A5, which is battery start. And then you've got ground coming out of A2 into our ground over here, and then we've got power to the starter motor over on this one. So that's basically starter drive, which is B5. This wire here represents the starter button on the steering wheel. So when that's connected to ground, which is what happens when you press that on the steering wheel, and that is start signal, which is B2, so that's B2 over here, it'll then send 12 volts using some of the relays over here through to our starter motor over here. So at the moment we're on 0. If I turn it all on, we're still at 0. Very minimal something going on there, but nothing to worry about. All back in focus. Right, there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically simulate starting the car by taking this starter wire and connecting it to ground over here. So I'm going to keep on the multimeter so you can hear the solenoids and watch the voltage go. Right, go. Boom, 12 volts into your starter motor. So as I let go of the starter motor button, takes it back to 0. But because we've already triggered the first relay, it then stays on, and the second one just comes on when you reconnect it. Like that. Cool. So yeah, you can see I've got basically grounded over here. That's simulating the starter signal on B2. We've got the two powers going 12 volts into A1 and A5. Starter motor power going out of B5, and then you've got ground coming out of B2. So it wouldn't be hard to make a replacement. It's kind of the good news. And there's our starter running. Let go of the button, and we're good to go.